Welcome, young adventurers, to a journey through the fascinating realm of Force. In this video, we'll embark on an exciting exploration of the concept of Force, uncovering its wonders and how it influences the world around us. Get ready to awaken the Force within you. Have you ever wondered how objects move, change direction, or even change shape? Well, it's all thanks to the Force. Force is like an invisible superpower that can push or pull objects and make them do incredible things. Force is a powerful energy that can make things move, change their motion, or even change their shape. It's like a big invisible hand that interacts with objects. You can think of Force as a push or a pull that can do amazing things. There are different types of forces we encounter in our everyday lives. Let's explore a few of them. Gravity. It's the force that keeps us grounded and makes objects fall towards the earth. It's why you don't float away. Friction. This force is like a brake that can slow down or stop things from moving. It's what makes your shoes grip the ground. Elastic spring force. When you stretch or compress a spring, it pushes or pulls back. It's like a spring-loaded superpower. Magnetic force. With magnets, you can experience the amazing force of attraction or repulsion between objects. It's like magic. Forces have amazing effects on objects. Here are 4 of them. Move a stationary object. If you push or pull on an object that's not moving, you can make it start moving. Imagine giving a gentle push to a toy car and watching it roll forward. Speed up, slow down, or completely stop a moving object. Forces can change the speed of a moving object. You can push a swing to make it go faster or apply a force in the opposite direction to slow it down or bring it to a complete stop. Change the direction of a moving object. Forces can also make a moving object change direction. Imagine kicking a soccer ball and seeing it curve, or changing the direction of a rolling ball by pushing it from the side. Change the shape of an object. Some forces can even change the shape of objects. Think of stretching a rubber band or squeezing a ball of clay. The force you apply changes their shape. Forces are all around us, making things happen every day. From kicking a soccer ball to stretching a rubber band, forces are what make our playtime exciting and full of motion. So, young explorers, embrace the power of Force and let your curiosity soar. Subscribe to our channel, join our scientific adventures, and awaken the Force within you. Prepare to be amazed as you uncover the secrets of Force, ignite your love for learning, and set out on a journey of discovery that will unlock the wonders of the world around us.